Here we are in section 5-2, exercises 19 through 22. Looks like we're doing long division. We have two ways of doing it, long division, and number 20, number 21, and 22 are all prime for synthetic division. That's where we have a linear factor that we're dividing out with leading coefficient 1. All right, let's start at 19. This is one we can't do that way, so here we have x squared plus 9 going into x to the fourth minus 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 11x minus 4. X squared goes into the x to the fourth. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times 9 is plus 9 x squared. We don't want to put it under the x cubed. We've got to put it in the column with the x squareds in it. So when we subtract them, we'll be adding like terms. So subtract, and what do we get there? This one just comes down as a negative 2x cubed. This is 8 minus 9. That's a minus 1x squared. And then we bring that guy down as a minus 11x. Alrighty. So x squared goes into negative 2x cubed, negative 2x times. So negative 2x times this is a negative 2x cubed. No x squared term, but then we have a minus 18x. And then we, don't forget, subtract. And that's gone, so we get a minus x squared. Negative 11 minus a minus 18, that's negative 11 plus 18, that's positive 7x minus 4. Okay, x squared goes into negative x squared, negative 1 times, negative 1 times x squared is a negative x squared, minus 9. So we're left with, what does that give us when we, don't forget, subtract. So gone, then we get 7x, negative 4 minus 9, that's negative 4 plus 9, that's positive 5. That's a remainder. X squared can't go into that. So we get x squared minus 2x minus 1 plus the remainder of 7x plus 5 over x squared minus 9. Plus 9. Wow, that's an odd looking duck for an answer, but that's it. All right, number 20. We could use synthetic division because this guy right here is a linear factor. Use the opposite of that, so we use a positive 3 in our box. And the coefficients, starting at x fourth, we get 1. X cubed is 0. Then we have a negative 5. Then we have 0. Then we have a negative 12. All right. Bring that down. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. 3 times 12 is 36. Negative 12 plus 36 is 24, which means we have a remainder here. This used to be an x to the fourth. Now it's an x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 12 plus 24 over x minus 3. That's what we were originally dividing by. So here we go. Alrighty, number 21. We can do synthetic division again. We're going to use the opposite of this guy right here. So use a negative 2 out in our box. And then we have x to the fourth, no x cubed, no x squared, no x minus 16. A lot of zeros in there because there's a lot of missing terms. The 1 comes straight down. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Add it and you get a negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Negative 2 times 4 is a negative 8. 0 and a negative 8 is negative 8. And negative 2 times negative 8 is a positive 16. Oh, isn't that a joy? The remainder is 0. This used to be an x to the fourth. So now this guy is an x to the third power. So we get x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 8. And that is our answer. All right, number 22. Big one, but we get to, synthetic division. That's a nice happy day. We use a -4 over here, and then we have a 3, a 17, a 13, minus 19, and a 5. Did we get all those coefficients correct? Yeah, okay, good. So we get 3 drops straight down. -4 times 3 is a -12. So 17 and plus a -12 is 5. -4 times 5 is a -20. 3 times 13 and a -20 is -7. -4 times -7 is a +28. -19 plus 28, that's a +9. -4 times a +9 is a -36. So we end up with a -31. All right, so there's our remainder, and everything dropped to power. That used to be an x to the 4th. So this guy is 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 9. And then we have a minus 31 over the original, what we're dividing by, x plus 4. Oh, that's just like those ones up above. Alrighty, good deal.